Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, wondering if there's someone or something lurking right outside your home? We all know that sinking feeling of uncertainty when we can't quite see what's happening beyond our doorstep. If the idea of safeguarding your property around the clock speaks to you, keep watching, because the Blink Outdoor 4 just might be the solution you've been waiting for. Right from the start, Blink Outdoor 4's design sets it apart from bulky, imposing security cameras. It's compact enough to blend seamlessly into your home's exterior while still looking modern and polished. Whether you mount it next to your porch light, tuck it under a window, or secure it on a nearby fence, its understated form factor means it won't clash with the style of your property. There's something incredibly reassuring about having a camera that's both discreet and effective. But let's talk durability, because a security camera is only as good as its ability to weather the real world. The Blink Outdoor 4 features a robust weather-resistant casing that can handle scorching summers, frigid winters, and even the unpredictability of heavy rain or snow. With an IP65 rating, it won't bow to dust or water. That means you can trust it to keep running, keeping an eye on your home when the elements are at their worst. No one wants a camera that fails just when you need it most. Picture that typical scenario: a surprise summer storm rolling in, strong winds whipping through, heavy rain pounding on the roof. The last thing you'd want is to rush outside and remove your camera to protect it. With this device, you can stay cozy indoors, secure in the knowledge that Blink Outdoor 4 is built to handle the deluge. And if you're planning to do some traveling, it's comforting to know the camera will continue monitoring your home without a hiccup while you're away. If you've ever squinted at grainy security footage, trying to figure out who's at your door, you'll appreciate what Blink Outdoor 4 brings to the table. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers a clear view of faces, license plates, and any other critical details you'd typically want to catch. The 143-degree field of view ensures that you're not stuck with a narrow, tunnel-like perspective. Instead, you get a broader, more useful snapshot of your surroundings. But life doesn't stop when the sun goes down. That's when the camera's infrared night vision steps up to the plate. The improved low-light performance means it can capture activity in the darkest conditions without missing a beat. Whether there's a stray raccoon rifling through your trash cans or a suspicious figure lingering near your gate, the Blink Outdoor 4 helps ensure you're always in the know. Here's a quick invitation before we move on. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, feel free to tap the like button right now and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected and never miss our latest reviews on tech and home security innovations. We've got plenty more insights coming your way, and you'll be the first to hear about them. Plus, you'll help this channel continue providing honest, straightforward coverage, something we can all appreciate. Let's be honest, few things are more tedious than constantly charging or replacing batteries. Security cameras are meant to offer peace of mind, not daily upkeep. Fortunately, Blink Outdoor 4 shines in this department with the promise of up to 2 years of operation on just 2 AA lithium batteries under default settings. That's nearly as long as a typical phone contract. Just think about how many times you would have recharged your smartphone in that span. Of course, real-world usage varies. If you're that curious homeowner who likes to check the live view a dozen times a day, or if you install the camera in a high-traffic spot, say, a busy front porch, expect the battery to be used up a bit quicker. Conditions like extreme cold can also impact performance. Still, the convenience of popping in 2 AA lithium batteries and forgetting about them for months or even years is a game changer for busy folks who don't have time to fuss over constant maintenance. And if you'd rather not worry about batteries at all, there's the option to connect the Blink Outdoor 4 to a sync module too. This module not only allows you to plug into a USB power source for continuous operation, but also opens up local video storage capabilities. So, if you'd prefer keeping your footage on a USB drive rather than relying solely on the cloud, the sync module 2 has you covered. A security camera is great for capturing footage, but it's even better if it can think on its feet. That's where the Blink Outdoor 4's advanced motion detection comes in. With dual-zone technology, the camera can differentiate between important activity, like an actual person or vehicle, and random occurrences like the neighbor's cat darting through your yard. Fewer false alarms mean fewer annoying notifications, so you only get the heads up when it truly matters. Two-way audio adds an extra layer of functionality by letting you speak directly through the camera. Picture this scenario: you're at work, and the delivery person shows up at your front door. Instead of missing the knock, you can use the camera's two-way audio to provide instructions, like, "Please leave the package around the corner." It's also an effective deterrent if you spot a stranger snooping around. Even from miles away, you can let them know you see them, and that's often enough to make them think twice. For those who've already jumped into the Alexa-enabled world, the Blink Outdoor 4 integrates seamlessly with your devices. Simple voice commands let you quickly access the live feed, arm and disarm the camera, or receive motion alerts on the go. Having that immediate, hands-free control just feels right, doesn't it? When it comes to saving your recorded footage, Blink keeps it flexible. If you're already using the sync module too, just hook up a USB drive, and your motion clips can be saved locally, no monthly fees required. That's particularly appealing for anyone concerned about recurring costs or the security of cloud-based storage. With local storage, you hold the keys to your data, plain and simple. On the flip side, if you like the convenience of reviewing your footage from anywhere, Blink's subscription plans have you covered. The basic plan works for a single camera, providing 60 days of unlimited cloud storage, along with benefits like person detection and photo capture. If you have multiple devices, or plan on expanding your home security setup later, the Plus plan offers the same perks across all your Blink cameras under one account. It's a straightforward system. Choose what fits your lifestyle, and rest assured you're only paying for what you need. Curious about the current deals on the Blink Outdoor 4? Check out the link in the description to head over to Amazon, where you can explore the latest offers. Often, you'll find discounts or bundles that make it an even sweeter deal, especially when you're planning to cover multiple spots around your property. Stay tuned, though, because there's still a lot to discuss about this robust outdoor camera. The Blink Outdoor 4 isn't just about fancy features or futuristic specs, it's about making your everyday life easier. Think of it as a reliable friend who stays vigilant when you're too busy to keep watch. It stands up to thunderstorms, keeps its cool in blazing temperatures, and isn't fazed by random nighttime noises in the yard. In other words, it's not a showpiece, it's a problem solver. Imagine stepping out on a quiet evening, aware that if someone approaches your property, you'll get an alert. Or consider the peace of mind you'll experience when you're away on vacation, confident that your camera is still diligently recording. Those small, everyday moments, greeting a neighbor, receiving a package, or checking on your pet in the backyard, become simpler when you know you can see what's happening at a glance. While we're on the subject of security, I'd like to invite you once more to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on upcoming reviews and tutorials that could elevate your home security game even further. And if you're still with me at this point, I'm guessing you're the type who loves staying informed about the latest tech. Subscribing and giving this video a like helps us continue producing thorough, in-depth content that goes beyond the basics and tells you what you really need to know. Let's paint a picture. It's midnight, and your phone buzzes with a motion alert. You open the Blink app to see the neighbor's dog has wandered into your yard. Thanks to the wide 143-degree field of view, you can see exactly where it is. With two-way audio, you could even speak to the dog, although we can't guarantee it'll understand your instructions. Or let's say you spot a delivery driver about to leave a package in plain sight. Use the camera's audio feature to ask them to tuck it behind a potted plant, keeping it safe from prying eyes. These everyday stories drive home why features like high-definition video, night vision, and reliable motion detection truly matter. They're not just buzzwords on a spec sheet, they're solutions to real problems we face all the time. We've all had moments when we wish we could see or speak to someone outside our home without physically being there. Blink Outdoor 4 is built to let you do exactly that, minus the headaches. So, there you have it, a closer, expanded look at the Blink Outdoor 4 and everything it brings to the table. A sleek yet rugged design, high-definition video performance, extended battery life, intelligent motion detection, and flexible storage options. It's a security camera tailored for homeowners who want robust protection without getting tangled in unnecessary complexities. If you're ready to take that step toward a safer, more connected home, Remember, there's a link in the description that'll guide you to the Amazon listing for the Blink Outdoor 4. Check it out, compare prices, read more reviews, and see if it aligns with what you've been envisioning. Maybe you'll find a deal that makes the decision even easier. Before you go, consider giving this video one last thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't yet. Your support helps keep this channel going strong, allowing us to dive deep into the details that matter most. We aim to give you real-world insight into the best tech out there, so you can make informed decisions for your home and family. Thank you for sticking with me through this comprehensive overview. Here's to a safer, more confident tomorrow. And we'll see you in the next video for that inside scoop on the TP-Link Tapo C420S2. Stay secure and happy monitoring.